Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to continue on with the rear bumper on the Skyline. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, just looking around, I thought I had some plastic body filler, but must have thrown it out. Putty down here, PVA, Gyprock, gearbox. Oh well, I keep sanding and see where we're at. Alright boys, I was just about to start sanding and I might actually go get some body filler before I start sanding. Cool, let's go for a drive. Thought I'd try something different. Bit of POV. How this is going to look. Let's go get the keys for Forester. Damn it, GoPro just went flat. Must not have charged overnight. Actually, 2 days or whatever. Anyways, just heading down to Subie and we'll get back home. Well, that was a little bit annoying, wasn't it? Sorry, the sound isn't good. Mic's not in because it's charging. Went to Subie, they didn't have it. Went to Autobarn, they did, about 25 bucks, 500 grams. That was the size that I had last time. I believe it comes with a different, different type of armor. I don't think it is actually. I think it's just like a white one. Yeah, it's just to keep the color of the black because it is black. But yeah, once you guys are charged up, not really, I'll get you on the tripod we'll sand a bit more and we'll get some filler on, and then we'll sand that as well. What do you guys think of the very little amount of POV that I did in the Forester? Sorry, it did go flat. I don't know why it didn't charge. But yeah, I'm back to my coffee. Let's get back into it, guys. Alright, just working this corner. So there's 4 lines up here, and once I got down low enough, it just flaked off, like those sections. So I've got to get it all the way down to plastic. A little bit of repair there needed. The sun's coming out, so I'm going to go get my sunnies. Alright, there we go, boys. Got all the spider cracks out. You can see hit here, and it's obviously pushed it in and cracked. Or cracked there. So I'm going to have to do the same to the other side, but I'm going to head off and go to CrossFit to do my training. Because Mr. Marley's not here, so I might as well do it. Stay around, guys. I'm going to be right back. Alright guys, I am back from training. Just going to finish up this episode with some of the plastic filler. I'm just going to fill in the big gouges. So there. This will probably get sanded out. Mostly I fill in that bit and this bit up here. And I'll call it a day. Alright guys, just going to use this cardboard box to mix up on. Using an old JB Hi-Fi to spread it, and let's mix it. That went a long way, but put a bit too much hardener in and it lasted not long. So this is going a bit crappy. It's starting to set already. Alright guys, I just fixed up that bit there. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. Probably just off screen. I'll just give it a quick sand. Just so it doesn't look so crappy. Yeah. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you next episode. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Bye.